Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to see the easiest way to create the fisheye effect on DaVinci Resolve. Once you have your clip in the timeline, select it and make sure the inspector tab is open. Then head down to lens correction. Move the distortion slider to the left enough to warp the image. Set it to -0.500. Next, to create that circle look to frame the image, go to Resolve Effects and search for Transform. Add it to your clip. Then, on the Effects tab, go to Image Adjustment. Grab the Edge Round slider and maximize it. Then play with the edge softness until you have a nice look on the framing. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with any other effect. See you in the next video. God bless.